What is the significance of interior design in restaurant ambiance? Well, interior design plays a crucial role in creating the ambiance of a restaurant. It helps to establish the overall theme, enhance customer experience, and differentiate the establishment from your competitors. The significance of interior design in restaurant ambiance can be summarized as follows: theme and identity, first impressions, comfort and functionality, atmosphere and mood, brand and marketing. The overall significance of interior design in a restaurant ambiance is to create a visually captivating and comfortable space that embodies the restaurant's theme, captures the attention of our customers, enhances the dining experience, fosters customer loyalty, and contributes to the overall success of the establishment.